So the next lesson is the future of jobs 3.1. Here you could see Amitabh Kant talking about what is the future of technology is going to be, how students must be equipped with their thinking, and what is the use of technology, how we are going to frame put forth our technical views with the improvement of the countries and all those kinds of things he is talking. And the lesson is quite interesting. You can it is all about the revolution, the fourth industrial revolution, which is ahead, and how humankind must face that and how they should transform themselves. This is what the author is trying to talk in Future of Jobs by Amitabh Kant. And when we go to the answers, you could see the comprehension questions. Which game was thought to be possible for the computer to defeat a human, and why? So which game was thought to be impossible? The game, like you can start the answer. The game thought to be impossible for the computers to defeat a human is, you can go to page 72, 77. Yeah, this answer you can write this last part. The ancient Chinese game Go, which has a very high number of possible moves. Okay, then you have to add the answer. They is considered to be impossible to be defeated by the human. And if it is why, you could say because humans can think and machine can't think. So this one you can add and you can finish. So it's in page 77. You can start which game was thought to be impossible from there. Like which game, no, you have to start from here the answer. The ancient Chinese game Go, which has a very high number of possible moves. Okay, you should write from the question, like was thought to be impossible for the computers to defeat a human because human can think and machines can't think. Okay, who defined the Go player leads it all? Again in page 77 itself we have the answer. See, who did that? It is AlphaGo, a program designed by two Go players, beat the best professional Go player Lee Sedol in the 5 game match. Okay, so it is what's the name of the person? There you should write what's the name of the person. Here it is given, Lee Sedol. Okay, Go player Lee Sedol. So this is the answer you should write for the second question. And the third one, what does the statement machine learning had breached even the bastion of strategic thought, okay, from paragraph 1 mean? So you should start the answer from there itself. Machine learning had breached even the bastion of strategic thought means that the thought of computers cannot beat humans belief was defended by a general plan of creating AlphaGo program. Okay, AlphaGo program to achieve goals. AlphaGo program to achieve goals. So see, listen to me. If you can't understand my writing, please do rewind and then write. So you should start the answer from machine learning. Machine learning had breached even the bastion of strategic thought means that the thought of computers cannot beat humans belief that was it was defended by a general plan of creating AlphaGo program to achieve goals. So this is your answer. The fourth one, you can see this is written. So from the second industrial revolution is electricity. Okay, mass production. The third industrial revolution is computer, digital technology and internet. And fourth industrial revolution, technology, industrial production, AI. You can write all these answers. And next, when we go to the fifth question, What organization language words does the author use from paragraphs 10 to 15 to suggest what India needs to do to embrace technology? See, in page 79 it is very simple and easy. See, I marked for you everything. See, firstly, we must rely on India's education system. Secondly, we must constantly upgrade skills. Thirdly, we must create a highly flexible, resilient, and adaptive workforce. Fourthly, we must initiate measures to ensure that when Indians are fully prepared to embrace the new era of AI blockchain. Fifthly, we must work across disciplines and institutional boundaries. So this is how all your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 answers you can write in your books. Okay, and the sixth question, the author mentions reports by Macaulay, PwC, etc. Browse the internet to know more about them and write a few sentences about the work. So this is very simple. You can easily go browse the net and write. So there is nothing for you to learn from my video. You can always browse the net and write. So I didn't write that answer. Next one is like, read the last line of the essay. Can India jumpstart this transformation? Explain the line. So here, can India jumpstart this transformation means, okay, means can the Indians get acquainted to the changes and can they move ahead to adapt into the new technology? So what does that mean is, can India jumpstart this transformation means, can the Indians get acquainted to the changes and can they move ahead to adapt into new technology? So this is your answer. And the next one is, recently two giant companies. You can write Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, and Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft. And two giant companies, you can say Tech Mahindra Limited, HCL, Wipro, all those things. And when you come to vocabulary corner, I'm sorry students, there are some mistakes here where we couldn't try to fill these words. And moreover, this number is also not that very clear, and so there is a problem in filling these two areas. So what I did, I just tried to made all the other areas. These two areas you can always ping up. If you have some answers to me, I could do the filling up later on. So first one is professional. Across I'm just saying professional, and then resilient, and then this is adapt. This one I said this third across is not known. Then we can write adaptive here, fourth across, and this one is invention. Okay, and when we come to the first down, it is here, it is adaptive, and here also I have written adaptive. What is this difference here, adaptive and adaptive? Ready to change and adapt to circumstances, also you get the same word only over there, and the same word something that quickens the process. Like both the words like we have used is the same kind of the word, no other change, because a paragraph only has that word. And next one is we have what is this, down. What is this, down? After professional we have leapfrog. Okay, it's the word is leapfrog, and this side the word is Chinese. So the last one down is Chinese. So this is how the answer is. This two part have to be segregated once again. So if you get your answers, you can just ping me up. And there is some confusions with this boxes. Boxes are not been placed. If the boxes are placed rightly, then your answers would come. There are some more boxes to be added over here, so this must be a printing mistake. So you just the work must be like this. The same question is not going to be in your exam. Okay, here it is fill-ups. The first word is education should enable students to utilize their full capacities so that they may upgrade their knowledge and skills to align themselves to the changing phase of technology. Such education will then result in creating individual who can build a unique nation. The is not there. Just strike out that the unique nation is your answer. So now this is a matching. So I just numbered your matchings. You can just write it there. 251. Okay, 251. And the next passage is 4, 7, 3 and 6. 4, 7, 3 and 6. That is how it goes. 4, 7, 3 and 6. So this is answers 2, 1, 5, 2. 1, 3, 4, 4, 7, 5, 3, 6, 6, 7. So that matching also is made.